Earlier this month, McDonald's severed ties with Food Solutions KZ in Kazakhstan because of supply chain issues. According to Reuters, the restaurant stopped sourcing from Russia and was struggling to replace them. Well, this week, several of the restaurants reopened, but without the golden arches. Instead, the former licensee opted for no branding at all, or very generic names. For example, one restaurant opened as Cheeseburger. But what is going to be on the menu? So far, at least hamburgers, chicken, and fish, as well as chicken nuggets and ice cream. And yes, you'll still be able to get fries with that. Some of the menu items include the, quote, beef tasty, chicken tasty, grand cheeseburger, and fish burger, according to Mike Eckel on Twitter. However, it's unknown where the restaurateur will be sourcing its ingredients from. Food Solutions KZ says it will maintain the same quality and service standards and does have plans to roll out a new brand. When McDonald's pulled out of Russia following the Ukrainian invasion, its restaurants were rebranded as, quote, tasty, and that's it. The same company recently tried to register its trademark in Kazakhstan, so we'll see if these cheeseburgers become something more imaginative, like tasty, and that's it. Some restaurants have nothing at all, only a sign that says, we're open. I'm David Manti, this is IN Now.